This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever, located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Pull the engine cover up to release it from its mountings and remove it from the vehicle. The fuel filter is mounted in the right-hand front corner of the engine compartment when viewed from the driver's seat. Unclip the hose retainer. Before removing the fuel filter, clean around the fuel pipes on the top of the filter housing to prevent any dirt from entering the fuel system. Place some cloths around the base of the filter housing to catch any fuel spillage. Undo the screws around the housing lid and lift the cover, complete with fuel hoses, from the top of the filter housing and move it to one side. Withdraw the old filter element from the housing and discard it. Use a pipette or syringe to draw out the old fuel and water residue from inside the fuel filter lower housing. Then clean the housing using a cloth. There are two versions of filter available. Make sure you fit the right one for your model. Prior to fitting, lubricate the seals with clean diesel, then insert the new filter element, pressing it down fully into position. To help the engine start easier and to prevent having to bleed the system, top up the filter housing with clean diesel, making sure that no dirt or water enters the system. Refit the filter lid onto the housing and secure the lid in position by refitting the screws. Tighten the screws. Remove the cloths from around the fuel filter housing and fasten the hose retaining clip. Position the engine cover back in the engine compartment and press it down to secure it in place. Close the bonnet, ensuring that it shuts securely.